Hello, Kiara. How are you? I want to talk to you about the things that you can do and cannot do in your city, and maybe that you have to do and not have to do in your city, because it's going to be interesting. Hello, sorry. Fine. And you? Good. I'm fine too. And what can you tell me about your city and the prohibition? In my city, it is over to exercise in the park. Also visit neighbor church with the family in places in recreation park. Also listen to music the volume you want. And it is not over to use bases and military animal. And you see that you can do and cannot do. Sorry? Yeah, that's very good. And my city is the same in these things, but we have to throw the garbage in the trash can. And in your city, can you throw the garbage in the streets or in the trash? Good, sorry. This is very important for the pollution. Kiara, and in my city we have to be in house at 9 p.m. on week, and on weekend we have to be in house at 7 p.m. And in your city, at what time is the time to quarantine? Or in my city is also at that time. My God, that's interesting, Kiara. That's very interesting. Yeah, sorry, right? Tell me, Kiara, what other things you have to do in your city or have not to do, and what you can do and what you cannot do in your city? Because it's interesting. Share information about that. It is also over to go to see the board games and the city play, and it is not over to go to church more than 3 times in the week, only one. And 2 things and now. Yeah, that's very good, Kiara. That's very good. So I think this is all of the things that we need to discuss about this topic. It's very interesting. We never finish, but we need to do an stopping. And thank you for speak with me about this topic and share your obligation and your permission to your city. You're welcome. Sorry. Thank to you also for telling me about your city. Bye. You too. Let's speak at next time. See you.